Start recording. Just went on a walk, so my hair is not great, but you know, whatever. Let's see, are we streaming? We are streaming. Let's copy the link. Tweeted. Cool. Say hey in the chat if you hop in. All right. Well, I guess let's get started. Make this the, there we go. Okay. Oh, guess I should show the screen. That'd probably help. There we go. Okay. Oh. Cool. Cool. Okay. What are we doing? Doing something. Okay. So what I want to test, I guess I have some stuff for this. Let me pull it up. Is this the... Oh, here. Okay, great. There, and this, I think this is like video jazz or some nonsense. Yeah, it is, which we can get rid of. I'll do that real quick. Well, I guess it's fine. It doesn't matter. This is for testing something else. I guess I'll explain to you what I'm doing. Okay, so let's take a look at this file a bit. So if you look at the source code, we are streaming this thing. So let's download that. We'll just do it here. Excuse me. All right. So the way this works, this is a video I shot on Along. If you're not familiar, that's along.video. It's like my company that I work on full time. What was that? Get along dev test. Great. Okay. So you can like scrub through it, and it's like different. It'll cut every once in a while. We can view the same along here. So you can see there's like, you know, different shots or whatever. Okay. So the way this works, is each video is its own XMAP like this, and then inside of it there's a bunch of like chunks. So what's really cool about this is that when I shoot a new video, I can just update this playlist, and I don't have to like re-encode the whole video. So you can append to it really easily, which I think is really neat. So what I want to experiment with is, can I have a different audio track that plays the same way? I know you can have different audio tracks in HLS. That stands for HTTP live streaming. But I think it's for audio only and not like in addition to the stream. So first of all, I want to like research that is the case. And then second, I want to experiment with playing two streams synchronized and see how that works. So let's check that out. Okay. HLS. spec. Where's the... Nope, come on. Do you think I have this bookmarked? Okay. Someone just said they watched for a second, but need to stop procrastinating. It's fair. Okay, so it supports these different audio formats. You have to have an ID3 tag. That's kind of neat. Oh, and you have to say it's a stream. Okay. I don't know anything about this, but that's fine. I was thinking, so the way there's subtitles, and I bet I could totally have multiple subtitle streams and encode other data, like timed with the video, so I could trigger like, other stuff to happen in the app with like these like fake subtitles. Could be pretty neat, assuming it doesn't break like the accessibility stuff. I think it would be pretty cool. So we could also experiment with that if I get frustrated with the audio stuff. Okay. Just Google. Adding alternative media. Okay. Oh, interesting. Maybe you can do this because, yeah, you can like watch a movie and just change the voice. That's pretty interesting. Okay. Combine options. There's a lot of stuff here. Okay. Let's figure out how to do this. I think instead of having this on S3, I am going to do this all locally so I can test it. Is that in this folder? This might be... It's totally this folder. Oops. Oh, I was testing something else. This is a great video. Okay, let's edit this to just be one. I'll just rename this to compare and then make a new one. Okay, so I'll just do the high frame rate one because it doesn't matter. Okay. And I guess I'll also just rename this to... That's fine. It can stay the same. Because I'm sure I'll make another playlist to wrap this playlist. Okay. So if we refresh this, we got one video and it plays. That's great. I also... How do you... I'm sure it's like muted. Yeah, it is just muted. I think that's all. Okay, great. We will... Well, I do want to test audio, so I guess I'll need to figure this out in a minute. But for now, I don't want to like hear myself. And we're muted. Great. Okay. Cool. Okay, so now let's see. How do we add... I see. Okay. So one, we need to convert audio into whatever format is required for M3U8. So that's step one. And then secondly, we can add these. Is there a way to do this? Insane. it's crazy to me that both Firefox and Chrome don't support HLS when it's like the industry standard for streaming, because they also don't support MPEG Dash, which is like there's two options and they don't support either. It's crazy to me. Anyway, it's funny to me that they recommend HLS JS, which this one's like pretty crappy compared to Video.js, which is ridiculously complicated but has better support. Anyway, okay. If we can play browsers, let's figure out how to convert some audio. So I'm just gonna pull some audio. I have some like from Bandcamp. That might be better. Music. Sure. We'll use Empire, and I really like this song. Great. Okay. So let's do I don't remember these options at all. Okay, let's see what I do for the video stuff on the API. Oh. It's not really helpful. Okay. I think I can just do like and see what it does. Made a TS, which I guess is fine. I'm sure these are not that. Whatever, we can optimize this stuff later. I care more about, I'm gonna copy this folder and clean some stuff out. So we get rid of this and all of these chunks. Compare. Probably don't need those. Cool. Okay. Let's see what we got going on. What does this do? Convert. Oh, there's that same or a similar script handy. This is just the proper MIME types. Oops. Great. Okay. Let's figure out. Let's make a new. And we can just copy this to here. Is there like an audio HTML tag? There is. Cool. All right. Yeah, let's try it. I guess I need some headphones. I guess for the sake of the stream, I'll just tell you what's going on, because it's not going to be interesting to hear the test audio. Also, for like copyright stuff, I don't want to deal with that. Okay. I guess this can be, I'll copy this over. I don't know if this is right at all, but we will find out. And, oh yeah, that's the right file. Okay, so if we do, great. Just make sure my sound settings are appropriate output. Great. And nothing. What's the deal? Yeah, I don't... Okay, we'll just... leave me alone on that front. Network. Nothing's happening. Does it not... Is this the wrong syntax? Source. Seems right. Perl0.ts. Seems right. Are these... Yeah, that seems fine. I have TS set up, I think. Sure do. Okay. Are we trying to even play that file? Okay, we load the M3U8, but we don't load the TS. And never plays. Okay. I guess we can try... I mean, it's not a... I'll just omit the source and see what happens, or the type. I don't think this is going to work. Oops. Nope. Oh, jeez. How do you do this? Does this even play? Let's see. Whoa. Yep, that's quite loud. Okay. So the file works. It's just this isn't correct. Or, yeah, either the stream that FFmpeg generated is wrong, or, no, I mean, this looks so simple. Yeah, this is definitely fine. Maybe it just doesn't know that it's an audio-only stream. What do those look like? I don't know. I'm totally just trying to figure it out. Poster, cool. My goal here is to just get the stream playing in the audio tag so we can know that that's correct, because right now it's obviously not. Then we can work on combining it. Yeah, so they definitely... show an M3 U8 here, which seems fine. Crazy. That's pretty neat. You can make your own oscillators. This is pretty neat. All right, cool. Not really helpful at all, but like super cool. I just want to check this out real quick. Does this work? Let's just do it right here on this page. My audio context is what? Cool. And then we can play the sound. This seems like it's going to be a lot of work. Yeah, okay. Well, I'll mess with that another time. That does seem fun, though. Okay. Why does this not work? Really what I want to find is an example of an M3 U8 for audio only. I wonder if there's one in the spec. Probably not. This document is not known for being helpful. That's too harsh. It's a fine document. It just assumes you know what you're doing. Playlist examples. Simple. Okay. Live. Encrypted. Master. Okay, so this is definitely what we want. We have a playlist with alternate audio. So we could totally pick the audio in theory. So it's definitely possible. How do we do it is the question. I'm just going to copy this and save it. I didn't know you could do new lines. That's pretty cool. Or maybe this is just for the sake of the example in the documentation. Whatever, I'll just clean it up and then turn off word wrap. Well, it's harder to read. Okay. Okay, so they have a default that's English. Oh, neat. You can even change. Oh, that's super cool. Because, yeah, you could have like commentary with whatever. Okay. And then I want to see, what does this look like, though? That's the question. What is session data? That sounds interesting. It's just a random like key value thing with a URI and a language. Or URI or value, okay. Okay, you have to have unique IDs. Okay, so you could do lyrics as a thing. What is an example? Oh, I see. It's just a random thing. It's not time-based. It's just for the stream you can have extra info. That's cool. Okay. Okay, well they still don't show an audio only one, which is what I wanted to see. But maybe you don't need one. Maybe it's just this. What is the format that I'm rendering it? In 3, yeah, I'm saying it's a thing, which is correct. Man, I'm so pumped about this now. This is gonna be great, but I don't know how it works. Encrypted segment seems cool too. I would like to do that at some point. And definitely add iframes. Would also like to do that too. Iframes is like image frames is what it stands for. So that's when you're like seeking on a video and it shows you the little thumbnail as you're dragging the play bar or playhead. That's the iframe playlist. Which should be cool. Or to like use them just for like previews. Like if you hover to show like the like little animated GIF of like frames. Could use the iframe playlist. Could be pretty neat. I don't know. Okay, how do you freaking make this? I don't care about Android, but they're using Video.js. Well, because it's Android, so that's fine. Is there an example audio one from Apple? Or just whatever stream this is? Oh, it's from Apple. Is this a WWDC? Totally. Amazing. It's just a... That's hilarious. What does the stream look like? I'm so curious now. But I just want the audio. Well, let's see if we can play this in an audio tag. Wow, these are... Oh, this is the different streams. Okay, so we want the big boy. I think that's the big one. Yeah, okay. Cool, yeah, it's just a bunch of TS files. Why is it? Oh, that's the duration. Yeah, just 10-second chunks of a bazillion of these files, and then that's it. Nice. Okay. Pretty straightforward. They also don't specify the codec, which is fun to see because that is a real pain to figure out. And the docs say you always have to specify it. So, all right. Does our test file work with this? Audio. Where is that file? Yep. Nope. Oh, there it is. Okay, yep, I hear Tim or whoever. Okay, and you see we're downloading a bunch of... One of these failed. Interesting. Okay. So, why doesn't Perl work? Oh my gosh, I didn't copy it into this folder. No wonder it wasn't working. Well, I think I just undid that actually. So it should be fine. Okay, we have Perl M3U8. Refresh. Doesn't load the TS. What if we load this directly? No. I wonder if it's expecting a video. And maybe the audio tag just can't play videos. There's got to be a better... This, okay. can't rewind. All right. What is this M3U8 thing? Is it in here? Chunks? Oh, just great. Well, that's not helpful. I have that book. Is there anything in here? Check the table of contents, I guess. What is Wowza? Whatever. Don't care about that. Everything assumes you're doing video, which is reasonable, but not what I'm trying to do. Okay. HLS audio playlist example. I think this is already what we saw, which isn't helpful. You already know that. You already saw that one. Sonos. Interesting. What are you up to, Sonos? Neat. Sonos uses, or supports HLS. That's great. Doing better than Chrome. Not mad about it. Okay. Why won't this work? Jeez. Don't want Reddit results. Create streamable audio file from MP3. That sounds helpful. Let's try this out. I don't know. Where's the playlist file? There it is. Okay. Actually, I'll rename this so we can have a better thing. What are we doing here? Okay. Okay. Let's try that out. Where were we? We were over here. Pearl. And now we can add everything. Great, great, great. What a good song. Okay, sweet. I don't know what the difference was. I'm just gonna save this command and come back to it. That's usually how I work here in FFmpeg land. Is Google around and find something that works, and then take a lot of time reading the manual to like understand what it's doing. I bet we can figure it out pretty quickly, actually. Let me just look real quick. Okay, so we've got our input, which is huge. Now we're saying the codecs AAC, the bit rate's 128. It's like codec :A for audio, is what that means. I don't know what mux delay does. We want it to segment. Yep. It's doing 7 seconds. I don't know why. We should make that 6 to match everything else. And then it's saying it's going to do the fragmented MP4, I think is what that means. So let's redo it real quick. Reveal and Finder. Pearl. Yeah, it's just the mux delay I don't understand. And then some of the stuff to do the fragmented thing, I need to check that that's the same as how I do the video one. But it should be easy enough. Okay. Okay. Let's... Heck yeah. Okay. So here... Sweet. Okay. Sweet, sweet, sweet. I really want to play with this later. I'm going to bookmark it. Development. Helpful. Okay. Alternate media. That's what we want to check out. We're going to go and make a master playlist and do some stuff. I wish it wasn't called a master playlist, but that is the name. The main playlist? The playlist? I don't know. Okay, so we don't need the other audios. We've got this one, and this one is going to be playlist, because this is our video one. That's 512 3U8. Great. I don't know these details. Audio equals audio. Oh, I see. You can set the group. Neat. Okay. I don't know that, so we're just going to delete it. And program 1, I don't know if that matters, but sure. Language. Why is it E? Okay, let's read the docs for what you're supposed to put here. Use one from this thing. English. Yeah, it should be EN, right? RFC. Yeah, it's EN. Why is it? Come on, Apple. EN. Great. English. Well, this could be, I'm going to call this song because it's, yeah. Auto select is yes. Default yes. And the URI is going to be Perl. Save. Okay, yeah, so this is saying like the alternate audio, and then these 2 lines are the actual playlist. So now if we go to our test and go back to the video test, I should hear the song when I play this. And it's muted. I don't hear that. Bummer. Oh, we're not playing this playlist. That's why. Okay. Index. I'm going to remove this because that's what we're testing now. And this is going to be our new playlist. We can refresh. On the wrong window. There we go. And nothing happened. Cool. Did we even... What did we do? We got the playlist, and then playing it doesn't load anything else. Did I spell this wrong? Did I save it somewhere else? Playlist M3U8. Maybe if I remove the audio tag, it'll work. Nope. Oh, I bet I need some of that codec stuff. Okay, let's look real quick in the API, because I have some stuff for this. Streams controller. Codecs. I'm just going to omit this because I don't actually know, but we can add some more stuff. Okay. And this is going to be playlist 512.0 and 3.8. Yeah, that should be right. Nope. What is the deal? Is that how you make a... I can just pick some arbitrary codecs and thing, and if it's wrong, it doesn't seem like it would matter. Codecs. It's not correct, but I'll put it... Well, see, they don't even do it here. Well, they do have codecs. Okay, they have bandwidth and codecs. We can add both of those. So, it's the wrong file. Codecs. Uh, 512 times 1024. It's probably wrong too, but who cares? It shouldn't matter. It's just a hint, so it can... Oh, there we go. Heck yes! Oh, it was the song and not the other thing. Sweet, sweet, sweet. Okay. That is amazing. The thing here is, like, if you record a bunch of video and then want to do a voiceover, we can record the audio separately instead of having to, like, mix all your videos down into one new video. Because, like, kind of the whole point of Along is you can, like, append and change and remix things. And I really want to do this without having to re-encode, like, the video every time you make a change, because it should be really easy to change. So being able to do it all in HLS is, like, so cool, I think. Definitely a bit of, like, the nerd in me being excited about the details of the technology, but I think it's a very cool thing. Thanks, Kim. The first person to say something in the chat. To be honest, wasn't sure if the stream was working, but apparently it is. Cool. Okay. So, can we mix these? Would be really neat. If I could have the song playing over the other stuff, would be fantastic. I don't think that's what this is for, but maybe combine groups and option. Oh, neat. You have, like, the angles stuff. Super cool. Okay. HLS multiple audio. Great. That's cool. Can we multiple renditions? Sounds good morning. Nice. Yeah, well, I explained a bunch about at the beginning, but if you have questions, I'm happy to answer about whatever. Okay, so they have. I can never remember the difference between a rendition and a variant. All of the terms in HLS land are very complicated. Okay. They're just doing what we just did. I want to see multiple at the same time. Cool. This is not helpful. Because you can imagine like the commentary track would play over like the real audio, but I'd assume those are just mixed down into a single track. I don't think this supports it. Let's try to figure it out. Okay. This was for, oh geez. X Media. Okay, and we have rendition groups. That's for the like angles and stuff, I think. Okay. That could be definitely cool down the road to have different shots. You could even like pick if there's people collaborating, like whose video you're watching. Could be neat. I don't know. Something to think about. Okay. Closed caption. Sure. Group languages. Name auto select. Oh, interesting. You can mark it as required. All right. In-stream ID. Weird. Okay, I don't know what that's for. Would love to figure out closed captioning at some point, but another day. Okay, more stuff. Channels. Oh, ha! You can do 5.1 surround. Sure. Maybe it was the default one. Let's read about that in auto select. The client should play this rendition of content in the absence of information. Yeah, I think what I want is the original thing plus the rendition. I don't know if that is allowed. Alternative renditions, okay. Oh, this is like the other stuff. I'm pretty sure this isn't supported, but I don't know for sure, and it doesn't explicitly say. But I feel like, well, how do you? Let's see. HTML, Safari, or HLS, video select rendition. It says you can't there. Maybe you can in Video.js. Okay, you can get events for you change renditions. That's neat. How do you select a rendition? I'm assuming I just select in here. Select playlist. I think this is just for like different resolutions. Yeah. Bummer. Wait, and switch those audio tracks. See the docs folder. Okay, let's see the docs folder. Great. Sure. Okay. How do we... How the tracks are switched? This is not very helpful. Okay, I'm pretty sure you can't do this. So, okay, let's think about how this is going to work. I don't need to look at my dumb face. Okay, if you wanted to add audio, I guess when I do that, I'll have to mix just the audio. And then the video, it doesn't matter, actually, which is pretty interesting. I could even not play... I could even mix all the video without audio and do the audio separately. Could be cool. There's a lot more files to stream, though. Cool. Gotta love Chrome. Make your own with WASM. Gosh. I hate Chrome so much. Why is this? This was deleted. Okay. Bunch of deleted posts. It's impossible. So, cool. I feel like there's not a good way to do this other than to just like synchronize two and then get events for like if one of them is buffering, then pause the other one until they catch up. And then if you seek the other one at the same time. So would be a bit complicated, but possible. So that's exciting. All right. Well, this is what I wanted to figure out tonight. Was the audio stuff, and it totally works. Super cool. I guess we could look at closed captioning. It's fine. It's like almost midnight. I guess I'll go to bed. Okay. Well, this was great. Very pleased with the progress. So hopefully this was enjoyable. Yeah. All right. Have a good night.